Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for video editing, templates and assets, business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, you can start from here, build with Wix editor. So let's start let's get started. Here, as you see, you can start with AI, so it's gonna help you to build and set up your websites easy and quickly. You have just to answer the questions and gonna set up your websites. Here also you can set up your website without AI, and you can go to basic setup. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. As you see here, you can search for your business type. Video editing templates. Now as you see, you can select your business type. I wish is this one. Now you can add the name of your business, and you can add the business address. You can set your default working hours here. Also you can start adding some services. Okay, you can add some services if you want. Also you can add your staff, your name and the email. What else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments or send automated emails and SMS reminders, or sell digital and physical products. Now this is depends on your business. So let's continue to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how do you like to design a website? If you want to use Wix create a site for you, or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here. So let's get started. Now as you see, you can add your information, review and edit your information. As you see, you can add the name of your business, your email, your address, your phone, and also you can add the social link. Okay. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick your favorite theme. You can pick a theme match your business, so you can choose the right theme. So you can try your best to choose the right theme for your website. So don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors and the fonts. It's more important to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. You can add pages to your site if you want. You can skip all this and you can customize them later. Wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. As you see here, this is the editor page. You don't have to change everything, you can do just quick edits. Here this is, you can add elements, you can add sections, you can edit space and menus, you can design the site, you can add apps or manage your business or manage the media. So for example, you can start from the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs or the text mask. Here you can customize and upload images or import images. You can explore images free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. And here you can customize the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, the document buttons, the payment buttons. Here you can customize the decorative, you can change the themed lines, the basic shapes or arrows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, or for example, you can add section, just select what kind of section you want to add. You can select the type or the design you like. You can add it on your editor page. If you want to customize your site design, you can change the color theme, the text theme, page background, or the page transitions. So that's it. Here, if you want to do quick edits, the first section, the header section, you can change the strip background, the paragraph, this site name right here, you can edit it or change it if you want. Also here you can change the horizontal menu, you can manage the menu. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change this section background, the strip background, this image right here, the color or whatever you like. You can also change the title and the paragraph. Okay. For example, if you want to change this title right here, just click on it and create a text. Now as you see, you have just to describe what you want in your text. You can select the type of the section. You have to insert information to include here, and it's gonna easily create it for you. You can use it or make it shorter or generate another one. So that's it. Here you can also edit the text. You can change the style and you can change the font. Okay. So now let's move on to the next section. This is the subscribe form. Also you can manage the settings, the form settings, or you can add new file. For example, you can add the first name file or the last name, the rapacha, then the email, the phone, whatever you like, you can change it here. This is the email file. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. This is about section. As you see here, you can change like the same thing as normal. You can change the text. Just describe what you want in your text, and it's gonna create it for you easy and quick. Okay. Okay, so that's it. If you want to change this section, the strip background, for example, the color, you can change, select your favorite color. Okay. Here you can manage services. You can add more services. You can change the testimonials. Also here the same thing. You can change the Wix form. So the same thing as normal. You can add new files here, like the email and the phone, the address, the birthday, whatever you like to add here. So that's it. This is the last section, the footer section. You can do quick edits, your site name, your email, and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save your editor page from here, and you can publish it. So, for example, now you can select. You can start your business and you can start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.